Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps on how to export your private groups from the Telegram app on your PC using the latest update. If you've been looking for a way to securely back up or review your group data, this method will guide you clearly from start to finish. First, make sure you open your Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is open, look towards the top left corner of the page. You'll see three small horizontal lines, often called the main menu icon. Click on those lines to open up the menu. From here, scroll down and select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, there will be an option called Advanced. Go ahead and click it. The advanced settings are where Telegram stores tools for extra features and in-depth management. Now once you're inside the advanced section, begin scrolling down until you find the option labeled Export Telegram Data. This is the key feature we'll be using to get a copy of your private group information. Click on it to continue. A new window will appear that allows you to choose exactly what type of data you want to export. To keep things focused, make sure you check only private groups and leave the other options unchecked. This keeps the export clean and relevant, with just the information you need. Once you've selected that option, hit the Export button. Telegram will then prepare your data. Depending on the size of your groups, this may take a few moments. When the export is complete, you'll see a button that says, Show My Data. Click on that, and you'll immediately gain access to the exported files with all the details of your private groups. And that's it. You've successfully exported your private groups on Telegram PC with just a few clicks. This method ensures you can always access your important group history whenever you need it. It's a handy option for both backup and organization. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to follow along for more step-by-step guides on using Telegram's latest updates and features. Thanks for watching.